Good morning, year 3. Once you download, open, and save the file to your computer, you will see this file will automatically open in Microsoft PowerPoint as if you have one in your computer. So in this file, you already have two slides. So the first slides, we call it title slides, have a text of my favorite robot and everything you need to know. So also is another slide, we call slide number 2. And for this lesson, you have to complete the work by adding text on this slide and put it inside this shape, and to change the font size and font style in order to make the words look special. So for adding text inside the shape, you need to click the shape and then you choose the style you want. For this I want you to choose Comic Sans MS regular, and for the first for this particular shape or this particular section of the shape, you make the fonts as 18 and you just type the words here. The words here is I have a robot power. So you finish adding text in the first shape. So then you have to add another text inside the shape. Also the same thing, you have to click the shape first and click again until you see this cursor blinking inside the shape, and then you can add the text. So make sure the size could be 16, smaller than the first one, and this one is still Comic Sans, and this one is the font color. So then you type here I have arms. Okay, finish. So you done 3 words now. So you have to add another 2 text in the shape. So in order to add the text inside the shape, we need the shape first. So in order to add shape, go to insert, choose shapes, and you have to find down to the choices called callouts. So you click oval callout, and then you drag and draw on the slide, and you can see there is a handle like this, the yellow one. You just adjust the position to the left near to the robot and put it near to the hands, and then you have to click the shape in order to change the color inside the shape as well the border outside the shape. So make sure you click the shape to activate the choices for the shape fill and the border color. So click the shape. You will see up here is shape format, or maybe your software have format, and you will see shape fill here. You just click to yellow, and this is for border color for the outline, and then you choose the color like orange, and now we're going to put the text inside now we're going to put the text inside the shape. So you double click the shape and you click home, and make sure you change the style to Comic Sans MS, and go again. Make sure regular has been ticked, and in this text I want to make sure the size is smaller than the previous one, so I choose 14. So here I just type I have hands. So now you see the color, the text color here is not quite similar for the text color here. So you still can change the color of the text. Remember, you need to highlight the text first and go to the text color. So for this one, I choose a dark red as a color. So I want to make this text can be placed nicely in this shape, like in one sentence. So in order to do that, you can resize the shape like this, and then also you still can adjust the handle to the direction you want. So we done for the, and to move the shape you can click on these boxes, and then you can move the position of the shape and near the hands on the slide to the near to the hands robot on the slide. So we need to add another one for the leg. So same again, go insert, choose shapes, and you find down for the call outs. And sometimes if you have choose, you have here recently used shapes. So you can click the call out, oval call out shape, click it, and then draw on the slide. And same thing, you will see this handle, the yellow handle, you click on it and hold your mouse, go near to the leg, and then make some resizes and put here. Okay, put the shape first where you want the shape, the best place for the shape. And then again, we need to change the color inside the shape. So in order to change the color, remember you have to click the shape first, and you will see on the toolbar, you will activate the shape format menu, and you will see the shape fill. So click a yellow, or you can click this arrow to change to the yellow. And for the outline, is near to the shape fill. So now I want to choose to something orange. We call this a red accent too. And then you want to put the text. And to put the text, make sure you go to home and change the font style to the Comic Sans MS as expected for this lesson. And just maintain this font size, and then choose the font color to dark red, and then you type I have text. So now I want to make this particular text fit in the one sentence within this shape. So I still can resize the shape. Make sure, remember, in order to resize, you click the shape again, and you see these boxes, you have to resize to make it smaller and to resize. And you can adjust also the handle that pointed to the legs. So basically you done the slide 2. Once you finish all this, text has been added on this slide. So what you have to do now, you can save the file. Just go file and save, and then you use your phone, take the picture of this slide only, and submit to the comments below. If you have any question, you still can ask me through the private message or reply to the comment.